Hello, good afternoon. My name is Emilio Pascual. I'm talking here on behalf of the Spanish company Alfalite. We are LED manufacturers. We do all the design and all the testing and automated production in Spain. And as a result of all that, as you can see here, we have some of our products. We have here the Litepix series. First of all, our 2.9 resolution 7x4 meter screen with this high resolution screen. And on our side, we have also our Litepix 3.9 resolution screen. In this case, not hanged, but with a stacked system also on our own, which is specifically designed for us. This is the model of choice for the rental companies in all our area, and it has been really successful so far. And on the other edge of the stand, we can see other different products that we have specifically for the retail sector, for which we also work with the Litepix LED screen, which attains transparency and can be used behind windows and in showcases. For more information, please contact us or you can reach us in our website on www.alfalite.com for further information.